Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use Affirm at Walmart. So the Walmart and Affirm option is not available at my region, but I will try my best to get in details about how to use it. Firstly, choose Affirm at checkout. The first step to using Affirm to pay for a Walmart shopping spree is to choose Affirm at checkout. You will be able to use Affirm at the click of a button. You don't have to go anywhere else. Just make sure to look for the Affirm logo at checkout and click on it to choose Affirm as your payment method. Now that you have chosen Affirm at checkout, you will need to fill out the Affirm form. You can do this at any time, not waiting until the end of the checkout process. In fact, you can fill out the form as soon as you see the Affirm logo at checkout. Now, after you have filled out the filled form, the next step to using Affirm to pay for your Walmart purchase is to choose your payment plan. You can choose a payment plan that works with your budget and lifestyle. Your monthly payments may range from $25 to $1,000, and simply complete your payment and enjoy your Walmart shopping. So if you're having a hard time to understand this, then you can also visit the affirm.com website, and they have a detailed review of how to use the Affirm for Walmart. So here you can see they provide the whole details. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.